pair the Google Pixel Buds 2a. I'm going to show you how to put it into pairing mode, how to connect to one device, then how to connect to two devices, and then how to factory reset these. So I got an iPhone here and a Samsung Galaxy S22 smartphone here. So first thing is, let's just go ahead and connect to the Samsung phone here. Let's put this in pairing mode, okay? Let's open the case up. The buds are both in there. Now you'll know that these are in pairing mode if the light here is blinking white, okay? Oh, it's blinking white here. So it's in pairing mode. So let me just go to my Samsung Galaxy phone here. It's an Android phone. And if you get a pop-up that pops up here, you can connect that way. If it doesn't pop up like it didn't do for me, we can simply just go to Settings, Connections, Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. And now I see that spinny thing up there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here under available devices. Okay, so all these are near me in pairing mode. I live in an apartment, and it did find the Pixel Buds 2a right there. So let me tap on that. With Android phones, you'll get a pairing request. Right there, tap on pair. And voila, we are connected and ready to go on this Samsung phone, okay? So it's paired, connected to this phone. Now, let's say we want to go ahead and connect to a different device. Could be a TV, another phone or whatnot, but we're going to connect now to an iPhone. This is the iPhone 16e here, okay? So first thing, remember, we got to put this in a pairing mode. So let me go ahead and open these up. And remember, we'll know it's in pairing mode if it blinks white here. Now, it's not going to blink white here because I'm paired and connected to this phone here. So what I can do to put this in pairing mode, two things. I could either go back to my Samsung phone here and disconnect it from Bluetooth, or turn it off, or delete it from the paired list. If I do any of those three, this will automatically go into pairing mode. It'll start blinking white. Or another thing I can do is I can force it into pairing mode, okay? And force it into pairing mode. Both buds are in, the lid's open, and then this button back here, I'm gonna press and hold for a few seconds till the light here starts blinking white, okay? So that button is right back here. Press and hold, just keep holding for like 5 seconds or so. Now just wait, okay? Now it's blinking white. Now it's in pairing mode, so now we can go ahead and connect to our other device here. We can connect to my iPhone. We're gonna go to settings now. Bluetooth, make sure Bluetooth is toggled on. And on the iPhone, you see that little spinny thing there. It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, so it's blinking white here, still in the pairing mode, but it's not showing up here. Let me go ahead and turn Bluetooth. Oh, something else popped up. Nope, not it. Okay, let me just turn the Bluetooth off, and I'm gonna turn it back on. Go ahead and let it rescan again, and let's see if it finds it now. It's still blinking, it's still in pairing mode. Hey, what do you know? Pixel Buds 2a, there it is. Let me tap on that right there. Voila, now we're connected, ready to go. Now I'm connected with the iPhone. I can put the earbuds in and listen to my iPhone and whatnot. Now if I go to my Galaxy phone here, now remember, now I'm paired to both of these phones. So if I go back to my Galaxy phone right here, and let's say I want to go ahead and connect back to this phone, all I got to do is go back to the Bluetooth here and just tap the Pixel 2a under the, and now I'm connected to this Android Samsung phone. Now I can watch YouTube videos, Netflix, and the audio will come out of here. Okay, so basically right now we're connected to both, we're paired and connected to both of these devices. Now let's go ahead and do a factory reset. You want to do a factory reset, you have issues, maybe problems connecting, can't get into pairing mode, maybe one of the buds is not working, maybe it keeps disconnecting, maybe it's out of sync, and so on. So with the factory reset, it's very simple. So all we got to do is, again, we're going to use this button here on the back here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to open this up, make sure the buds are in there, leave the lid open. Now this button here, we're going to press and hold for like 30 seconds or so. We're going to do it together, okay? So here's that button here. Ready, set, go. Press and hold. I'm going to keep holding until the lights here stop blinking. Once it stops blinking, I'm going to let go, and then the light's going to turn orange or amber, white, and once that's done, the factory reset, then it will just start blinking white like this back into pairing mode. So I'm still holding onto that button there in the back. Still holding there. Just be patient. Come on, the light's getting ready to turn off. Okay, it's off. Now watch, I'm gonna let go of that back button. As soon as I do, amber, white, okay? Now let it run like that for like 10 seconds until it starts blinking only white. then that would indicate that we're back into pairing mode. Now I have to show you something once this reset is done if I want to connect back to the same devices, okay? Because remember, I was paired and connected to these, okay? Now it's only blinking white. Reset is done. Now it's back into pairing mode, all right? So now if we wanted to connect back, let's say back to our iPhone here, remember I was paired to this before. So in order for me to connect back, what I have to do is go to settings, go to Bluetooth again, and then remember it was paired here, that Pixel Buds 2a. So what I have to do is tap on the I for information and how to forget this device, basically delete it off the pairs list. If on the Android phone it'd be like unpair. Okay, now it's gone. And now if I want to connect back, you see that thing is still spinning. This is still in pairing mode, so we should be able to find it back on here. But let me just turn off the scanning, the Bluetooth, and I'm going to turn it back on. And now we should be able to find it and connect back to this phone here. There it is, Pixel 2a. Go ahead and tap on that. And voila, we're connected. Now, same thing with the Android phone. If I wanted to connect back on here, I have to go to the settings, Bluetooth, and I have to delete it or unpair it off that Bluetooth list. And then it should find it and I can pair back to the same Samsung Galaxy phone. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys out.